the first thing is, does it excite you? Is it that the process that interests you? I mean, the other thing is that I'm not that interested in creating. I'm a creative person in other areas, but I'm not interested in creating physical products. I know because I've tried, and I've got other clients who do it and love it. So I know the difference, and I know that that's not what excites me. So I would be pretty foolish to start a physical products business from scratch that depends on a custom physical product, unless I had a business partner who was really passionate about that stuff. That's quite possible. So the process, I would say, financial analysis doesn't have to be complex. Negotiation doesn't have to be complex, but project management. I mean, managing big projects. I guess if you're not into that, you're probably not going to find that running any kind of business works for you because they're all big projects. So does it excite you? Does it grab you? And obviously, one of the things you can do with this series is give you a taster for how it works, and then you can think, oh, that sounds really interesting. I want to find out more.